So these blocks cover 1 square foot, and this is a question I get all the time. They say, well, we measured the face, and the face isn't 1 square foot. That's correct. But what we go off of is the stacking height. So the height of each course is 6 inches. So every course of these blocks, you gain 6 inches. So if you have a 5-foot tall wall, you have 10 courses. It's real easy math, which is nice. But what we do is we go from center of block here to center of block here, and that's 24 inches. And that includes a 9-inch space between the blocks. And I'll lay this down. And so what we would have is the blocks are spaced out about like that. And what we're trying to accomplish is we want the next course to sit like this evenly. And to make sure that you're at 9 inches to give you the right coverage, this side rail piece is 9 inches when you do it like this. So now you've got your little template here to make sure that you've got it at the right distance. Pretty clever. And so from the center here to the center of the space over here is 24 inches. So that's 2 feet. 2 feet times 0.5 feet, it gives you 1 square foot. And that's how we develop the coverage. So if you have a wall that is 50 feet by 5 feet, that's 250 square feet. That's 250 block. It's pretty easy to calculate.